Yoga Inlight had a retreat here recently. Carol is from sort of central north New South Wales, and she has been able to have 2 retreats here now, and they organise their flights and they all come in around a similar time, except for the people obviously still staying in the district who drove here, and then we transported them around the bus. The ladies that came from the northern New South Wales, we picked them up from the airport with the bus. We took them to the shops, they needed to get their supplies, and then we brought them back here. They did a couple of their classes here.
This is the second year that I have run a yoga retreat at Worldsaway. For me, the opportunity to teach here is pretty special. Both myself and those who attend the retreat have felt incredibly spoiled, as Worldsaway has a truly special and unique energy about it that gets under your skin in such a way that leaves you feeling connected with yourself and the earth. I know that the combination of both the yoga teachings and the energy of Worldsaway facilitates a lot of movement internally within those who get to experience the journey. Transformation on a very subtle level. The feedback is that they always leave with having had something shift.
From there we also liaised with the winery where they supplied us food at a specific cost. Of course it was good, and the food was, was commented about throughout the retreat. When you look back through the basics of where the food all comes from, Tony's done a great job at getting stuff that is land to mouth or ocean to mouth. It's very fresh. And some of the girls were vegetarian and they were easily accommodated.